Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of OpenCart product exchange extension. And in today's video tutorial, we'll be showing you how the admin would be able to configure the extension settings in the admin backend. Apart from that, let me take you through the working of this extension. So basically, using this extension, the customers would be able to create product exchange requests for replacing their ordered products. Now, the admin can configure various conditions and settings for the product exchange request, like the reasons, order status, payment methods, the shipping methods, like the terms and conditions, and etc. Also, the exchange would be managed by a separate order ID. So let's get ahead and let's see how this extension can be configured in the first place by navigating to the admin backend panel of this extension. So what I'll be doing is I'll be just navigating to the admin backend panel, and we'll just configure this extension in this video tutorial today. And in the coming video tutorial, we'll be showing you how this extension actually works and what's the complete workflow for this extension. So for the timing today, let's navigate to the admin backend panel first. So here I have already logged into my OpenCart web store backend, and to configure this extension, what I'll do is I'll navigate to extensions, then extensions, and after that we'll select the extension type as modules, and under the modules we'll navigate to the product exchange extension that we have, and we'll just hit the edit button in front of that, and this would bring up the configuration settings for this particular extension. That's the OpenCart product exchange extension. So here we have a number of options for which we need to select the different options available. We need to set some options as well. So let's go through each of these options one by one, and let's see what different options are there for this particular extension. So here under the edit product option, the very first option is the status of this extension. So you need to select the status as enabled so as to make use of this extension. Otherwise, you can select this option as disabled to disable the extension for use. After that, we have the number of days. So here you can set the number of days after the order has been placed, up to which the products can be exchanged. After that, we have the exchange on order status, and here you need to select the order status on which the exchange button would be visible to the customer. So whatever order status you have selected here, the button would be visible for the exchange on that only. After that, we have the exchange reasons, and here the admin needs to select the exchange reasons that would be visible to the customers for exchanging the product at the front end. So here you have already a number of options to select from. So you can multi-select or select all of these exchange reasons so as to provide them to the customers at the front end. After that, we have the exchange reason sequence. So what you can do here is you can set up the sequence of the exchange reasons. So for example, I want to set the received wrong items at the first reason, so I can just drag it up and just place it at the top. And if I want the dead on arrival option to be at the top, I can set it at top or at the number 2 as per the requirement there. Then we have the terms and conditions option. So here you need to select the terms and conditions that are there available within your store, and you can select terms and conditions so that would be applicable for the product exchange itself. After that, we have the exchange payment method option. So here you need to select the payment method that would be used when the customer wants to exchange the product. So after you click on that, all the payment methods available within your store would be displayed here, and you can select any of the exchange payment methods. So the exchange payment method that you have selected here would be used when the user wants to exchange a product from the front end. And lastly, we have the exchange shipping method. And for this, you need to select the shipping method that would be used when the user wants to exchange a product. So whichever shipping method you want to select or allow, you can select that up, and that would be made available to the customer at the front end. So this was the main basic settings for this OpenCart product exchange extension, and here you can enable it. You can set the number of days up to which a customer can request for a product exchange. You can set the exchange on order status. You can select the exchange reasons and you can also set the exchange reason sequence. You can also select the terms and conditions for the product exchange at the front end, and you can select the payment and shipping methods for the exchange itself. So that was much about the configuration settings of this OpenCart product exchange module. Hope this video tutorial helped you out with the configuration settings of the OpenCart product exchange module. And if you have any questions or queries regarding this extension, then you can always get back to us at support@webpool.com, or you may raise the ticket at webpool.us.com. In the coming video, we'll be showing you the workflow of this extension. So stay put, and thanks for watching this video, and have a great day ahead.